Good morning, friends. Nana K, the Altered Book Nook, here today to show you one of our standard altered books. This is where we got our name from. This is how we started, was actually altering true books. We've developed a little over the last couple of years, but we're going to start with one of our older books. This is Pumpkin Spice and All Things Nice. It will be on our Etsy site in just a little while, as soon as I can get this video done and make sure everything's good with it. Please excuse my voice. I am having a little battle with, I think, bronchitis. The wind changed over the last 2 days, and I've had to be out in it, and it's kind of got the best of me, so just bear with my raspy voice. It's still me. But anyway, let's go over this book, and let me give you a little rundown of the graphics and all that's in this book. We took an old condensed version Reader's Digest, which, if you know me, is my favorite book to work with. I just like the size of this book. I always have, ever since I started doing junk journals. We took the, and stripped it down on the, cleaned the outside and then painted it with a bright orange and sealed that, so you've got a nice glossy wipeable surface here. We added clip art from other people's kits that we have purchased, which I have credits inside. I'll go over that when I get in the book. And we also sealed that. So this book is completely wipeable. On the spine and around a little bit, we painted that part with an olive green and sealed that, and also put the spine on here. And as you see, this book was made in 2019. I've held on to it for a while, but we decided to release it for this holiday season. I'm going to reduce this zoom a little bit. If you guys can bear with me, I think I'm going to reduce it. Yeah, I reduced it a little bit so maybe we can keep everything in screen. This book, again, like I say, is completely wipeable, and it is strictly an altered book. This is also what I class as one of my semi-naked journals. And when I tell you I'm semi-naked, the indication is that there are some pockets and some belly bands, some journaling cards, and some naked tags. I don't complete the tags in my semi-naked journal under most circumstances. This book is strictly made for the person that buys it to take it as kind of like a kit and continue on with the theme and make the book their own. So this book is really kind of like a kit that you're going to actually complete. Great Christmas gift for somebody that might be wanting to learn how to do handmade journals. There's enough stuff here left to do, and if they'll watch our instructional videos, which we're getting ready to start probably today on one of our digital journals that we have got ready for download. So just, YouTube is full of instructional videos. So this, again, is a great Christmas gift. So let's go on, and keep in mind that as you're looking at this, I have kept this basically, first of all, as a fall Thanksgiving type theme. Pumpkin spice, is a fall thing. At least it is in North Carolina, and I'm assuming all over the United States that pumpkin spice is a big thing in the fall season. Excuse me. But I have kept this book looking more like a book, so that when you actually have it sitting on your bookshelf, that's what it looks like. It's just a standard book. But I class it as a memory journal. It has got a lot of internal built-in pockets so that you can keep all kinds of memorabilia in it. And their pages are designed where if you want to switch it over to like a scrapbook type book, there's lots and lots of spaces to add photos and journal in and anything of that nature. So let's proceed on. And let's look at the interior of the book. I'm going to go all the way through it, so bear with me. And again, please bear with my rough voice. It is just tough out here when the weather changes for older people. Thank you. All right, going inside, I did leave the main cover just blank. I used the olivey green to match the spine out here. 110-pound paper. So you'll see that there. And as you open up, you'll notice that this is where I said internal pockets. This is a dual internal pocket. I don't do this very often, but there's two sides of this place to hide things in. old love letters and photos and things. And like if you're wanting to work on your book and you don't have time right now, but you find a photo you want to put in the book, you can go ahead and drop the photo in one of these pockets, internal pockets, and they'll be there so when you're ready to work on it, it's there. Now I'm going to move this book into frame, and I'm going to try to stay there because I have a hard time sometimes staying in frame. You will see this has a very rustic look. The whole book has a very rustic, antique look to it all the way through. This is my title page on my altered book, and over here on the side, it tells you who the art credits are going to. So the art credits for this particular book are going to Screech Owl Studio. I used some of her, one of her kits to get some of the things I got in here. On JSS Scrap Boutiques, Katie Castella. I use her art a lot. Katie is the most wonderful person to work with. I purchase from her frequently just because she is so generous about giving me information and tips that I might need. And, of course, there are some of my own Nana K designs in here. The name of the book, again, is Pumpkin Spice and All Things Nice. All right, so here we go. Let's look at the book and see what's involved in this book. Again, every single page in this particular book has an internal pocket all the way through. So I'm not gonna go into all these pockets every page turn, but I just want you to be aware that every single page has got an internal pocket. Lots of places to hide things. The graphics in this book are nice and crisp and clear. You're going to get what I call base pages. This is what I was explaining to you earlier, are perfect for adding photos, or if you want to decorate it, color on it, draw on it. That's what these pages are for. You add, you can have, if you have a die cut machine, you can add different die cuts to it, whatever. But there's one of your blank pages or base pages, and then you've got journaling pages throughout the book. Going on. As you see, the clip art is just gorgeous. It has that antique old look to it. And most of them have either have the basic page and a writing page on each side, with the exception here. This is just a blank page. This also comes into the semi-naked, where I have already added a beautiful fruit spray pocket here. Has a big scoop. You just see, got a big front scoop in it. It's just a really cute pocket. And inside this pocket, I am adding some naked journaling cards, which are still available to have designs added to them. Leave them like you want. There's also word art here that you can continue to make some kind of decoration with, or you can use this word art as part of your designing one of your pages over here like this. But anyway, there's word art in that one. Moving on, as you see, there's more journaling spots, and there's cards and cards and cards in a lot of these spots. I just added a lot of ephemera pieces down in some of these pockets, so that'll be a treasure when you get the book, to go in these pockets and find the treasures that are in there waiting for you to finish designing. So we're going to move on. If I happen to spot some more cards, I'll just kind of briefly pull them out and show them to you. And if you ever have questions about any of these videos, you can leave me a message on my Etsy site. I will get back to you very shortly, because I have Etsy attached to my messenger on my phone. So no matter whether I'm in the office here or at the shop, or whether I am on the road, I get my messages and I'll get back with you as fast as possible. Going on, we have more just beautiful pages. They need some TLC. They need somebody to love them and decorate them. Excuse my phone in the background today. For some reason, it wants to blow up. But just ignore it in the background, if you will, please. Thank you. This is a pumpkin pie recipe on this page. Then going here, you have a naked tag. This is what I was talking about. The tag is naked. It is just a base tag ready for you to design, put your ribbon in, do whatever you want to do. There's a pocket already here on a beautiful page that said, "May blessings outnumber autumn leaves." Now that's a nice wish, isn't it? Going on. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles, and I do truly believe that. This page right here has a belly band with a naked journal card and a naked tag that needs to be completed. And as you see, I'm just showing you every once in a while that there's still that hidden pocket within the pages. Just keep that in mind. There's just so much space here to add things to. This is how you know it really was made from the pages of the old book, because the writing's still inside the pockets there. You can see that. Here's another pocket already done with a tag and a journaling card. I don't think you want that scrap piece of paper, so we'll just get rid of that. Oh, matter of fact, there's 2 journaling cards on this one. You see, these pockets can hold right much stuff. It's amazing to me how much these little pockets that we put in these books can hold. Okay? I keep sliding out of frame. That's typical me. Sorry. These beautiful graphics. Here's another pocket. It says, I love fall. Really colorful. More ephemera. There might be some ephemera on one of these other pages, but anyway, there is a lot of ephemera down in these pages. Now, this is a recipe card type pocket. It's shaped like a recipe card, but it is just a pocket. And I think it does have the pumpkin pie recipe on it, if you can read through the graphics on there. Here's another pocket. A cute little scarecrow for the fall. This is definitely a fall-themed book if you've ever seen one. The cute little owl. Now I feel like that's Katie's design. I know that's Miss Katie's design. There's some ephemera inside this pocket here. I feel it. Lots and lots of tags and things inside there that need to be altered or completed. Not altered, but completed. There's a belly band. I told you someone might have a few of those in here. This is a beautiful photo page possibility here. And this is the last page of the book, and it also has a lot of the ephemera in the back here ready to be taken care of. And that's the end of the pumpkin spice and all things nice altered book. This is a semi-altered book. This is Nana Kay saying thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me reach my 1,000. We'll celebrate when I get to 1,000. And also, please go on the Etsy site and subscribe so that you know when I have put on something new on the Etsy site, because not only do we do altered books, we do digital kits to make books from scraps, complete scrap. And we also do beautiful, beautiful three-dimensional greeting cards. And lots of other things. I do hidden tags, and I do hidden paper clip things. So just check our Etsy site out, subscribe, and please like this video below. And again, help me boost my YouTube by subscribing to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Nana Kay signing off from Eastern North Carolina. See you again soon, and thanks a lot for watching.